Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair. This is a quick functionality pro video for the power supply board. It has a bunch of different numbers. I'm going to list them in the title. FSP188-3PSZ01 or 880400U00-525-G. That board is from Sony. And this is the model of the Sony KD-60X690E. It is patiently waiting. The most common problem for this TV is actually the LEDs going bad. In some rare cases, it is that power board too. But before you assume the board is bad and you will be buying it, make sure you pull out the connection for the LED strips and use an LED tester to see whether you're getting, well, working LEDs and in the range of 155 volts. And if your device is good, 0.6 amps. It's pretty bright when it works. One bit of advice, I've said that in other videos. Digital testers are not always correct, and the strips that I took out of this TV, they're somewhere around here. Yes, they are. They worked fine with a meter. The problem was that a few of the lamps were delaying the start, and you could see that if you try several times. You can see how one of the LEDs in one of the rows starts with a delay of 1-2 seconds, and this is just about enough for the driver, for the LED driver that is on this board to catch it and kick in over voltage or undercurrent protection, whatever it is. And so the board never starts. The universal testing driver, though, does not have that problem. It starts very low, it keeps increasing until it reaches very high setup over voltage, and thus it manages to light up those LEDs and they work fine. So sometimes the testers will not work fine. I mean, they will work fine, but they will mislead you that the board, that the LEDs are good when they actually aren't. When that board is bad, usually the TV doesn't start at all, and you don't have any other voltages like standby, or if you have standby, it may not be able to raise the power factor correction circuit voltage here, 400 volts. If one of those two is true, if you either don't have any standby, or if you have standby, but once the board is signaled, whether by the main board, whether manually here, and you don't get 400 volts on the PFC circuit, then you need a power supply wire. But if those two work, chances are very high that your board is good and you don't need a replacement one. That is all. Thank you very much.